Hello friends, welcome to my channel Craftism. Here I am going to show you how to make an origami dough. So please take a 15 into 15 centimeter square paper and let's start. Now make a diagonal, okay, like this, and fold it. Now we get a 90-degree angle triangle. Okay, now make a line like this and fold there. Okay, and now we are going to make a balloon base. Fold and crease. Similarly from right side, just press from corners, and the corners should be the sharp, and use your thumbnail like this for greasing. Yes, very good. And fold from the center, and now fold it like this. Touch this corner from this fold, crease it, press more for good creasing. Now fold inside, similarly outside. Now open this, not completely but slightly open this, push downside, and press it inside and crease it. Similarly did this from left side, fold inside and outside and open it, and slightly smoothly just press it and fold. Yes, and then open it and fold from back side. Yes, like this. Very good, you can understand. It's very easy and simple. Now we are going to making the dough bird wings. This is face, fold, not completely fold, it's look like his face. Now open this, now press it and watch carefully. Please pay your complete attention here, and press it. Now we are going to making these wings. Take this first part and fold it like this. Yes, you are doing great. Now turn, flip it, and similarly did like this. Do like this, and his tail, this is his tail. Pick this corner and fold it. Watch carefully please. Now just turn, flip it, and from other side fold from other side, then open it, then repeat this part which we are getting from head of the dough. Now this is a part of the dough tail. Now fold it and turn around, flip it, and similarly fold here. Yes, and press more for good creasing. Congrats, we made the dough bird. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share and comment, and just slap on subscribe button. Goodbye. Come back soon.